For photography enthusiasts, a camera bag shouldn't only carry their gear, but also be useful during their commute or while traveling. We designed OneGo to cater to these needs. We wanted to go for a minimalist, not basic look, which is why the OneGo uses a zipper to connect the front opening to the side pockets. This makes it easy to pack and grab your gear even when you're on the go. The patented Model Pro system consists of dividers to offer you customizable storage. It uses little latches and loops instead of Velcro, which is a far more secure way. OneGo is designed to be aesthetically pleasing and functional. The innovative honeycomb structure TPR materials is used in the straps to disperse pressure with up to 50% compared to traditional foam. Because of its structure, the air fiber back panel consists mostly of air, which creates an elastic and breathable fabric. OneGo has perfected the art of smart storage. It offers storage possibilities for every occasion. It contains multiple gadget pockets, a hidden passport pocket, and magnetic pockets to offer you quick and safe access. Even the details have been thought through. OneGo has a battery pocket that uses a magnetic coin which functions as a power indicator and little wrench. The laptop compartment lets you store your laptop and tablet separately, and you can even take out the entire sleeve. To top this all off, OneGo uses a Fidlock magnetic buckle for easy and secure access. OneGo is built to last. The exterior has a PU coating, which doesn't get damaged even after testing it 11,500 times in the Martindale abrasion test. YKK zippers add more security. We constantly kept the user's needs in mind when designing OneGo. We wanted to offer a professional solution, but not sacrifice its good looks. We have strict quality control to ensure OneGo is your new #1 camera bag for daily use.